We just finished putting in the Facebook with the call us today, and I see a little space up here on the top and more space on the bottom, and I'm going to even that out, and that's with the white space. Here we go. So I need to go to the div. What div was that? That is right here. Call us today. Green italic. Phone div. Okay, so let's go to class to phone. Phone margin on the top. Let's do like 20 pixels. Let's see what happens. Refresh. That looks a lot better. Great. Also want to give this a phone number. Let's go to the HTML. And right there, at that number right there, well, we could do it right before we're at call us today. We're going to do hrefs equals, I'm going to take the number, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to write TEL for telephone. Old school, huh? Get rid of the dots. And then close the A tag over here. All right, and save that and refresh. Let's see what happens. Now we have a line right there, which is not good, and we want that green. So now we have to go into our green italic. Is it italic? Yeah, it's green italic. So I can take this, copy that, paste, and put an A there. And let's save that. Let's do text decoration, right? Text decoration, and put none. Not worrying about over hovering. This is just for mobile because let's refresh and see if that works. Wow, that's great. Call us today. It went huge, didn't it? Maybe take down the font size a little bit. Save the 120%. Refresh. That looks a lot better. Okay. When you click on it on a browser, you can't do anything about it. But if you're on your mobile and you click it, you'll be able to call. But you don't need to have a hover because usually things on mobile don't hover. So we're good. All right, let's get to the next part. Let's go to Photoshop and see what the next part is. We want to do the space right here. How high is that? That's 43 pixels high. Okay. Remember that. 43 pixels. All right. Our next thing here. Navigation. Banner. Spacer. Spacer 1. All right. 43 pixels, right? Let's go to our CSS and let's come down here and we're going to do dot spacer 1. Let's snag this and put in a height of 43 and a background color of, is that the right color? That's the blue, right? Yeah, that's the blue. Save that and let's go back to here, and we can't, it's kind of hard to see it all the way at the bottom. Let's refresh. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Spacer 1. Oh, that's right. We got a div class because this is not, Spacer 1 is not an HTML tag. So we had to make it a div. There we go. Save that. And let's see if it works. Refresh. Yes, it made it down here. Yay! So now we have a spacer down here. That's nice. Okay, what's next? That was quick. That was easy. This next part right here. Let's go back to this part and see. That one's called article. Article is a HTML tag now. I used to call, well, I've always done body content. And you know what? I want to do body content. Just want to keep it real. I didn't just say that, did I? No. Body content, and then we could say this one down here is body content bottom. I don't know. body content top, body content. We don't want underscores, do we? Body. We could do this content. This will get you ready for. See how I did the uppercase C and uppercase B? Let's do that up here with this one too. Body content top. This will get you ready for when you do JavaScript and PHP. When you're doing stuff, you put all the words together, but then you you capitalize the next words. You don't capitalize the first one. You capitalize the next ones. I think that'll get you ready for some scripting. If you guys want to do scripting, I don't want to do scripting. I just know about this because I've done some contact forms and stuff. So body content top, body content bottom. This doesn't need to have a height put to it because we don't know if this information right here will go too long or not. These are the places where you don't put a height because if you put extra text, it'll go longer. So let me put this one in first. I'm trying to think of, should I put a height or not? Or should I put in the footer or the spacer at the end? Do spacer last. Let's do that. That's that spacer number. Let's put the spacer in. That's a quick fix. All right. Let me copy this. Spacer 2. Put spacer 2 here. Save. Go to the CSS. Snag this one. Right spacer 2. And we got to get that green color, right? There it is. Put that in there right here. 43 pixels. Let's just say that for now. So I should have a green on the bottom now. Refresh. So we have green. Awesome. It'd be kind of cool to have that green at the top, wouldn't it? Maybe. Yeah, let's do it on the top too. Come on, man. This is fun. We'll do up here, right after the body. Oops, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to put spacer in. How about we call this one spacer 3? Save that. And then go here. Let's copy this. We want green, right? Yeah, green. Let's put that there. And let's do a height of like 15 pixels. Let's see what happens. And let's put 3. Save. And then refresh the page. Let's see if it goes to the top. Refresh. That's cool. Look how that green really picks it out. And now I can see the green here and I can see the green. All right. I like that. I'm digging that. All right, so the green is getting incorporated into the look more. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So let's go back here. All right, let's do our Dr. Sullivan. Let's gonna have my slice tool. Bring them all down to here. Okay. I'm going to use these as images for right now so we can get them all going, right? So you can do File, Export, Save for Web. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Click and drag down, save, and put on my desktop just these. I'm going to name these circles. Save. Images folder. I've got my circles now. Let's rename this one Circle Doctor. And this one is Circle App. This one is Circle Reviews. And Circles Forms. Circle Forms. I'm going to take those and I'm going to put them into, come on, move, into my images folder. Drag and drop them in there and let's use those. Okay. So now I need 4 of those. How big are they? we got to find out what the size is. Let's just click on one of them. And let's see, this is the width is 245. Write that down. All right, this is where it gets tough. Article, we're going to call that body, capital C, content. Did I spell that right? Content. And then capital T, top, body content. Div, class, equals, quotation marks, body content, top, close the div. Let's do that again for this right here, but this body content, bottom. Let's give it some room. All right. We also want our background of div white. Let's do that. Background of div white. That might be top. Background of div white 2. And then close it. Because I don't know what the size is. I don't want to have any size on that. I don't have any issues. We got to figure this one out. This one's going to be tough. All right. Tab it over, tab it over. Tab, tab. And then we're going to put 4 divs in this one. We're going to do a div class equals. We're going to do 1. That's going to be the doctor 1 slash div. We're going to take that, copy, and paste, and paste, and paste, and we're going to put this, clear both, right here. Because we're going to make all these float to the left. 3 and 4. I might be only to do class 1 and do 1 for all of them. I'm going to put the image in there. Image source equals images / circle underscore doctor.jpg. Right? That's what we called it. Copy, paste, paste, paste. And the other one was apps or app. The other one was reviews. And the last one was, oh my God, my mind. I can't remember stuff anymore. Forms. Let's save it. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know what it looks like yet. It's going to look crazy. Refresh. Going straight down. Okay, so now we got to float them. Okay, let's float them first. All right. Let's do it before spacer 1. We'll leave spacers down the bottom. And then let's snag this one. I don't know which one we're going to snag. Let's get one that has the floating in it. And we call that, well, let's go back to the HTML and snag body content. Oh, it's 1. So we want 1. So that'll be easy, right? Dot class or class 1 with, did we say 425 for each one? That's got to be too big, right? Seriously? That's not how big it is. Is it that big? Width 245. Oh my God, my dyslexia is taking over. 245. No margin. Margin is 0 for right now. Background color, none. Float left. Text align, nothing. Not yet. We might do text align center eventually when we put the text in. Let's save that. And let's put 1 on all of them instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, save, 1, One, I can't stop doing it. It didn't float left. Let's see why. Width, 245 pixels, margin, background color, float left, text align center. How come it's not floating? Maybe a number we can't do. Let me see. 1. Save that. Let's copy that. Love troubleshooting. So much fun. 1. It won't do a numeric number. It'll do a word maybe. Let's see. Refresh. There we go. Looking pretty good, right? They're all in their spot. I'll probably cut these and have these as squares, and then we'll put information underneath it. Want to have Dr. Sullivan, appointments, reviews, forms, all text. So we gotta get that over to the right now. So let's put that. That was in body content top. Let's copy that. Let's make dot. There we go. Let's snag. Just snag this, and then we can just alter information. Let's say we don't have a width on the body. Oh no, we do. We have a. It's We're gonna get rid of the width. Or no. There we go. We'll do this one. Get it from the header. 980 pixels wide. 0 auto because I want it to float in the middle. Body background color, nothing right now. Let's save that. Let's see if it works. Refresh. Yeah. All right, so I need to get that white background here. So background of div white 2. Let's see, background of white. Let's go up here to the other one. Here we go. Background of white. Div white. And I'm going to put that right here. And this is going to be 2, right? I'm not going to put a height on it yet. Let me take the height off of it. Let me see. Let me get rid of that. Margin 0 pixels. Background white. Let's save. Let's see if that works. Refresh. All right. Woohoo! Yeah! This is awesome! Look at this freaking website. Oh my god. I love it. So beautiful. All right. So for background of div white 2, you want to have margin 0, background color white, or hashtag FFFFF. That's hashtag number. It's a hexadecimal number for white. Refresh. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay. Now we got to do the next one down and the footer. We'll come back to this one later because it's tougher because there's a lot of stuff that is involved with that. All right. So let's take this one, put it here, put the div, closing div, and then background of div. And we'll write green. Light green. Copy that. I want, let's put it there. Let's go up here to get this one. And we're going to do color of, well, we got to go to Photoshop for that color, right? Let's close this. Let's snag this color right here. That is E9F5BA. Copy. Paste. Save. All right, so that's background of div light green. Great. And then we have to do body content bottom. 980 pixels, margin 0, background color. That's already the background color. We don't have content information in that yet, and we're going to put 2 divs in there. We're going to have this div and this div. So there's going to be 2 divs inside of that one. So inside of the body content bottom, I'm going to do a tab, enter, enter, tab, tab, tab. I'm going to put a div here, div class equals, how about we call this, what are we going to call it? Let me do the next one. Just, it's going to be 2 divs. Oops. All the way, copy, paste. The 2 divs on the bottom, we're going to call it background, body content bottom. How about bottom 2? Bottom 2 and 3. Bottom 2 and 3. Bottom 1 and 2. I don't know what I'm going to do. Bottom 1 and 2. We can put numbers in it. We just have to have some stuff in there. Let me see. Let's put some content. Can we snag this? Ohio Family Dentist. Lorem Ipsum. What was the other one saying? Learn about. Let's do that. Learn about teeth whitening. Learn about teeth whitening. Save it. We also want to do, these are H1 tags. Close the H1 tag. I'm thinking while I'm typing, so my typing is going a little slower. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do next. I'm going to bring this div down a bit. And bring this one down a bit. And then I might even bring this down one. And this down one. Because this is information that's going to be in here. This is going to be a p tag. And let me copy that. Put that here. And I'm going to put that lorem ipsum in there. Okay, lorem ipsum for this one, your next website. I don't intend to see lorem ipsum in that website that you do the next one. Here we go, lorem ipsum, and save it, and let's see what the website looks like. Looks like crap. Love it. Do have the green back there. All right, so check this out. See that blue right there? The H1 is giving it this spacing right here. So that's not good. We got to figure out how to mess with the spacing there. You might have to go in the CSS and play with the H1 tag. That's never fun. Nope. All right, so let's do the floating. Let's get the let's take this one. Ha, fun. That's a pun intended. 1. And write bottom 1. And we're going to do, let's say the width of it is going to be 375. Margin on the top, I want it to come down a little bit. Let's say a margin from the top, I'm going to say 20 pixels. Maybe 25. And margin from the top, margin from the right, 0 pixels. From the bottom, let's do 25. Did I say, I said 24 here? I thought I said 25. 25 pixels on the bottom, and on the left side, I want to push this away from the left side. So let's put in 25 pixels. Let's see what happens. Background color, flip left, a text align. I don't want to align the text left. I want it to defaultly to the, I don't want it center, I want it default to the left. Learned about teeth whitening. Our family came down here. Okay, so that looks good. We got to do the same thing to this one. We got to float it. And let's copy this and paste. And that was what, bottom 2? Save, refresh. Okay, where'd the white go? And how come it popped out on the bottom underneath the green? Oh, I love CSS. It's so much fun. I'm going to do an H2 on these words. H1 was a little too big. I can make H1 smaller, but that looks good. That's great. But the background color's gone. Where'd it go? All right, so bottom 1, bottom 2. I don't know if I want to mess with that yet, but I guess I got to. Body content bottom, background color, background light green. Let's snag this and put it in here and see if it works. Save it, refresh. It's not showing at all, is it? Let's put them in the bottom 1 and bottom 2. Oh, I forgot to put the clear floats. How come you guys didn't tell me? You forgot. You're supposed to tell me when to put the clear floats in. Man, you guys are slacking. Let's copy this. Let's put before this for this div. We floated this div. We floated this one, and this one. So we have to put. Oh, no. We got to clear the both. We got to clear both because we floated them. There we go. Save it. Now let's see what happens. Damn! That's awesome! Look at that. Text. Smell that text. Fresh text. Pushing it down 20 pixels from the top got rid of our spacing problem. See, white space, man. It's great, isn't it? So, like I said, the margin 25 pixels down, and that pushed it down and got rid of that spacing problem we had with the blue. So that's nice, isn't it? So we have a lot more space to go over here. So if I push this over more and push this over more with the margin, so margin on the left would be this one right here. So let's put in 100, and then we'll put on this one 100 too. Let's see what happens. All right. I think trying to look at both and see if we 75 and 75 on both. That's what I'm going to do. I think 100 was too far. 75, refresh. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. All right, great. So now we got to do the footer, and then we'll come back up and we'll finish this one, and then we'll do the next pages. Oh my God.